Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just want to encourage you to click on the link down below and register for the webinar tomorrow, July 14th, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Even if you are unavailable at that time, as long as you register, you can catch the replay. Why is this so important? Because it's the book launch of the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook, which is hot off the presses. It takes you from a novice to an expert overnight, as well as fun little anecdotes and everything you could imagine with tools and resources, and you name it, it is in this book. You can pre-order it in print or you can order it on ebook right now. Tomorrow, July 14th at 2 p.m. is the webinar launch, book launch. Because of the times we're in right now, that's how we have to do it, is through Zoom webinar. However, it is a registered event, so even if you cannot make it, please register so you can come and catch the replay after work or after you're babysitting your grandkids or after you're finished doing your next diamond painting, because you will want to know what you can do to win some free stuff. Yes, that's right. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. So I hope to see you tomorrow during the live webinar or on #replay if you are registered. So please head on over there by clicking the link down below. It is time sensitive. It is July 14th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Can't wait to see you. Take care. Bye-bye.